There we go, my friends. 3 coats of ceramic coating on it. And let me tell you, if this holds up as well as it has on that bandsaw next to me here, I will be a happy camper. Hello, my friends. How are y'all doing? As you probably know by now, on top of all my metal tops, for years and years, I've been coating them with Johnson's paste wax. And Johnson's has, for some reason, discontinued the wax. So I started using car wax. And I know a lot of people use a lot of different things. The car wax was working fine for me, didn't have any issues with it at all. But a month or so ago, we were going to do the bandsaws, the tops on them while we had some spare time, after Mr. Berto did a little cleanup. And I decided to try ceramic car coating on them. I've heard it's very durable, holds up very well, but it can be extremely pricey. So I did a little looking, and I found one that I've been very happy with on the bandsaws. It's made by the chemical guys. It's called Hydro Slick. And if you know anything about ceramic coatings, they can be very expensive. Little 4-ounce bottles can cost you upwards to $70, $100 for the bottle, if not more. Excuse me. Guys, this one's got great reviews for cars, not for not for tool tops, of course. Extremely affordable. This 15-ounce bottle is $31. Amazon, you can get it there, or you can get it straight from the chemical guys there. But I'll put you an Amazon link for it in the show more section of the video. We put it on the bandsaws a while back, and I have been so happy with it. It goes on extremely easy. Just put it on with one of those microfiber towels and let it dry 3 to 4 minutes. Dry it off, put 3 coats on, and boy, does it work great. So I'm going to go ahead and get the table saw done here. Mr. Berto had already blown it off clean and did the first sanding on it, and I told him, stop, we're not putting car wax on it. I'm going to put that the ceramic coating that I put on the bandsaws. So it's clean at the moment, but I still need to sand it a little more, and then we're going to put the, oh God, why am I so lost for words? The ceramic coating on it. 3 coats, and let's see how it works. Here we go. I sanded it all the way up to 600. A lot of people say don't sand your tabletop. Guys, I've been doing it for 30 plus years, and I have never found a reason why I couldn't sand my metal tabletops to get them clean. I know there's a lot of arguments out there for it. It works for me. If you don't like it or it doesn't work for you, fine. Don't do it, but it works great for me. I went over it with steel wool after that just to pick up a little residual. Cleaned it up with some acetone, which is normally not good for metal. That's why you want to wipe it dry and get it off of there pretty quick. That's what the paper towel does. And then I put the paper towel on the sander and go over it again until I'm pretty well coming up with a clean piece of paper towel. I got it clean. Let's put some ceramic coating on there. Alright, my friends, the instructions say to shake it well, which I've done already, but I'm just doing a little shaking for you guys. Everybody likes a little shaking now and then. It's basically what it says, a gel. A blue gel. Put it on with a micro sponge. Alrighty, the manufacturer says it dries and ready to wipe in 30 seconds. They recommend that on top, then they follow up, I think it was, waiting a minute or two. So, I'm waiting a minute or two. Then we're going to wipe it off. There we go, my friends. I'm going to repeat that process 2 more times. Here's that bandsaw that it's been on for 2 months. And it's been holding up wonderful. No surface rust buildup at all. Here you go, my friends. Let me show it close so y'all can see what I'm using real clear. And like I say, I'll do everything I can to put a link in for this in the show more section. I think I'm starting to figure that out. There we go, my friends. That ceramic coating's been working very good for me so far. Although I can't give you years of experience using it, only 2 months so far. But so far, I'm loving it. And for the price, it's wonderful. I went ahead and I'm doing a little work on the RV outside, and I put a little bit on the chrome grill up front to see what it did, and I loved it there. Looked great. Guys, got a few more videos. Well, I got many more videos, but I've got 3 in particular here I've got to get finished and get out for you guys. And believe it or not, I'm actually going to sell something. I got a request from a friend, a paying friend, for a little piece. So I've got to get it done. I'll stick y'all a link in the show more section for that ceramic if you want to give it a try. Great to be here with you, my friends. And you know what? I'll be back. I promise.